How much is Acorn subscription per month? Script. Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorn TV, a streaming service that offers a wide variety of British TV shows and movies. I've been a subscriber to Acorn TV for a while now, and I absolutely love it. I think it's a great service for anyone who loves British TV. Hook. So, how much is Acorn TV subscription per month? Well, the answer is actually a bit complicated because there are a few different pricing tiers. Body. Before I get into the specifics of Acorn TV's pricing, I want to talk a little bit about what the service offers. Acorn TV has a huge library of British TV shows and movies, including many classics like Upstairs, Downstairs, Downton Abbey, and Sherlock. The service also offers a number of original series, such as Agatha Christie's Poirot and Mysteries of Laura. Acorn TV offers 3 different subscription tiers. Basic, $5.99 per month. Premium, $7.99 per month. Ultimate, $9.99 per month. The basic tier gives you access to all of Acorn TV's content, but it does not include HD streaming. The premium tier gives you access to all of Acorn TV's content, including HD streaming. The ultimate tier gives you access to all of Acorn TV's content, including HD streaming, and it also allows you to stream up to 4 devices at the same time. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Acorn TV also offers a yearly subscription option. If you pay for a year up front, you'll save 10% off the monthly price. So, which subscription tier is right for you? If you're on a budget, the basic tier is a good option. If you want to watch Acorn TV in HD or stream on multiple devices, the premium or ultimate tiers are better choices. Conclusion. Acorn TV is a great streaming service for anyone who loves British TV. With a wide variety of shows and movies to choose from, Acorn TV is sure to please any fan of the genre. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Acorn TV, I encourage you to check out their website or sign up for a free trial. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Additional tips. You can get a discount on your Acorn TV subscription by signing up for a year at a time. Acorn TV offers a free trial, so you can try the service out before you commit to a subscription. Acorn TV is available on a variety of devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, and mobile devices. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.